dear students. In the last class, I completed your second unit, that is relation and function. Today I will going to start your fifth unit, that is complex number and quadratic equation. What is mean complex number? You know, that is natural numbers, real numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, okay, integers. Likewise, it is one of the type of the number, it is complex number. Okay, complex number, first of all, I am going to discuss the definition of complex number. What is mean complex number? See here, complex number is always in the form of z is equal to a plus ib. Z is equal to a plus ib. Okay, always complex number is denoted by capital letter Z, and here is equal to a plus ib. So here a and b are the real numbers. Here that is a and b are real numbers. Real numbers. Here a and b are real numbers. This a is called real part of Z, the real part of the complex number. And here this b is called imaginary part. This is the imaginary part. Imaginary part of complex number. So here, what is the complex number? Complex number is in the form of z is equal to a plus ib. It is in the form of a plus ib. It is denoted by capital letter Z. Here a and b are the real numbers. This a is called the real part of complex number. Okay, how we write this? It is real part of complex number. And here there is a b is called the imaginary part of complex number. So here imaginary part of complex number. Okay, so here the simple definition of the complex number. Complex number is in the form of a plus ib, and here a and b are the real numbers, and is always denoted by complex number is always denoted by capital letter Z. Here a is called the real part of Z, and b is called the imaginary part of Z. Okay, so here what is the value of I here? So value of I is a square root of minus 1. So that's why it is I square is equal to minus 1. Value of I here, that is root of minus 1 and I square, so that's why I square is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, I am going to explain what is mean equality of two complex numbers. Equality of two complex numbers. Equality of two complex number. Why we say that the two complex numbers are equal? If let we take the two complex number, that is z is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus ib. These are the two complex number. We are any two complex number. So here we take the two complex number. Then we say that these two complex number are equal. These two complex numbers are equal. If A is equal to C and B is equal to D. We will do the equal of the real numbers and imaginary numbers. Okay. So here A is equal to C. These two numbers are the real numbers in these two complex numbers. And here B is equal to D. These are the imaginary numbers, imaginary part of this complex number. Okay. We take together. That is, these two are equal. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Then we say that these two complex numbers, Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID, and we say that these two complex numbers are equal. Okay. So it's the definition of equality of two complex numbers. Okay. When we say that these two complex numbers are equal, if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Next, I am going to discuss the algebra of complex number. That is the addition of two complex numbers, multiplication of two complex numbers, subtraction of two complex numbers, and division of two complex numbers. Algebra of complex number. Algebra of complex number. It is the first one. Addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. Two complex numbers. Okay, so here we consider the two complex numbers. Okay, that is Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus IB. Okay, these are the two complex numbers. That is Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus IB. The two complex numbers. Then we say that the addition of two complex numbers, that is Z1 plus Z2. We have to add the two complex numbers. That is Z1 plus Z2 is equal to here A plus IB. Z1 is here A plus IB plus Z2 here C plus IB. C plus IB. Okay. So here simple calculation. A plus IB plus C plus IB. So we take here real part together. That is A and C. That is A plus C plus here IB plus IB. Here I will take common. Okay. We will take I common here plus the remaining part B plus T. Okay. This is the addition of two complex numbers. We have to add here two complex numbers. Okay. Here take one example. Take one example. Z1 is equal to 2 plus 2i and Z2 is equal to 1 plus 3i. Okay. These are two complex numbers. We consider the two complex numbers. Okay. So here, then Z1 plus Z2, addition of two complex numbers is equal to here Z1 is a 2 plus 2i. 2 plus 2i 2i plus z2 here. Z2 here that is 1 plus 3i. 1 plus 3i. So here the simple calculation, 2 plus 1 plus here 2i plus 3i. So here I will take common and here 2 plus addition of two real numbers and addition of two imaginary numbers. Okay. So here 2 plus 1 that is 3 plus here 3 plus 2 that is 5 plus 5. Okay. Here 3 plus 5. This is a z1 plus z2. Next the second one, subtraction of two complex numbers. We have to subtract the two complex numbers. The second algebra of the function, algebra of the complex number is subtraction of two complex numbers. Two complex numbers. Here we consider two complex numbers. That is z1 is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id. These are the two complex numbers. Then subtraction of two complex numbers is z1 minus z2. Z1 minus z2 is equal to here z1 is a plus ib minus sign is here minus z2 in bracket c plus ib. So here a plus ib minus there the plus c is there. So here outside if you take c outside then it is minus c. Here plus id is there. If you come this outside the bracket that is minus id. Okay. A plus ib minus c. Here id come to outside. So here minus id plus changes to minus id. So here minus id is equal to a minus c plus here I and here I is take common here ib minus id. So I take common the remaining b minus minus this is a z1 minus z2. Okay. So take one example. Consider one example here. Okay. Take a two complex number. That is z1 is equal to 3 plus i4 and z2 is equal to 2 plus I. Okay. These are the two complex numbers and we have to subtract the two complex numbers. That is z1 minus z2 is equal to here z1 is a 3 plus ib in bracket 3 plus i4. Okay. z1 is equal to 3 plus i4. So 3 plus i4 minus in bracket z2 2 plus i2. 2 plus i2. So here subtract this number 3 plus i4 here minus 2. Okay. He 2 come to outside the bracket. So here minus 2. Here plus sign is there. If I2 is come outside the bracket, then it is minus I2. Sign will be changed here. Okay. Is equal to 3 here I come to outside because here plus I4 minus I4 minus I2. Here I will take outside. So here I will take common and 4 minus remaining part is 4 minus is equal to 3 minus 2 here 1 plus I where 4 minus 2 that is 2. So here 1 plus 4 Z1 minus Z2. So again it is a complex number that is Z1 minus Z2. Next that is the third one, multiplication of two complex numbers. So this third one, multiplication of two complex numbers. Multiplication of two complex numbers. Two complex numbers. Here we have to consider the two complex numbers. That is Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus IB. We have to consider the two complex numbers. Then we have to multiply these two complex numbers. That is Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2. That is A plus IB into Z2 here C plus IB. Z1 here A plus IB into bracket C plus I. This is a Z2. Okay, simple multiplication. A into C is AC plus A into ID is IAD plus IB into C IBC plus here I into I is I square. Okay, I square. So here B into D. Here that is AC plus IAD plus IBC. Here the value of I square is you already know that the value of I is here root minus 1. So therefore I square is equal to minus 1. Right? So here minus 1 into B. Minus 1 into B is equal to AC plus IAD plus IBC. Here minus B. Take a real part. Together it is AC minus BD plus I take a common here. Then in bracket AD plus B is the remaining part. Okay, I added common in bracket AD plus BC. So this is the Z1 into Z2. Okay, so here consider an example. There is a two complex number Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 is equal to 3 plus 4. These are the two complex numbers. Then Z1 into Z2. That is the multiplication of two complex numbers. 2 plus 3i. Where Z1 is a 2 plus 3i into Z2 here 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Here that is simple multiplication. 2 into 3 6 plus 4 into 2 8i plus 3 into 3 9i plus 12i square. 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 4, 12. I into I square. Okay. So here 6 plus 8I plus 9I. Here value of I square is a minus 1. Always remember that the value of I square is a minus 1. So here minus 12 is equal to 6 minus 12 plus here I will take common here I, the remaining part 8 plus 9. So here 6 minus 12, that is minus 6 plus I, 8 plus 9, 17. That is a minus 6 plus 17. So this is a multiplication of two complex numbers. Okay. Here I am going to stop. The remaining part we will discuss in next class.